Sweet, we're back live. More Sema loading. Actually, I got the Jeep here. This thing looks flippin' mean. Check this out. Look at this thing. Hold on. That thing is awesome. Oh my god. I want a Jeep. I want a Jeep so I could take my race car. No, I don't have a race car. I mean, that's not a race car, but that thing's my car. This thing looks so nice. Look at this. Oh, let's watch this. Hold on. This thing is beautiful. Look at this beautiful Jeep. Oh my god. I like how they did the little rustic parts to it. That looks pretty badass. This thing is so sick. I want. Wow. Damn, that thing looks mean. Oh, let me grab these. Yeah. Oh shoot! Wow. Yeah. Any more? Let me make sure on your side. There's no more. How the hell did I pass that up? What the? Glasses. Let me check on this side for you. Yeah, you're good on this side. Damn, this thing is a monster. This thing. Wow. That is so awesome. Look at the long travel suspension on this thing. Oh my god. This is probably a rock crawler, for goodness sake. Damn. So I think there's like 3 cars of 5 that will be here today, tomorrow. When I'm gone, all the cars will be set up tomorrow. But damn, look at this Jeep. God. Engine, exhaust, that thing looks mean. Wowzers. Look at this. I love this. So awesome.
So you're thinking, okay, well, need a couple of people to push against it.
Oh.
Yeah, so people can see it. Cool. Good deal. Plenty of room to come through, and we can pull that in about another. That's right there. Where your wheels not perfect. We need to go forward. Try going on more backwards.
Oh. Another one. Damn. I love that. I love the rust too. That thing is sick.
Yeah, Mad Maxy.
Yeah, exactly. Holy hell. This is awesome. Wow.
Yeah, actually, this was probably one of
This looks like a Resident Evil truck setup. Look at that. Look at the intake, engine exhaust. Look at this. Damn.
You'll eventually notice it as you come through, but.
Whew. This thing is badass. Oh my lord. Wow. I swear this is like a Resident Evil set truck. Okay, I think I'm gonna vlog part of the time, so you guys better check this out. Well, hi Charlie. I know the Jeep's badass, right? God, this is nice. Let's go walk around a little bit. Let's see. I can't go over this damn display. Shit. Story about this thing is they lost this, so they had to get a new one. It's like the biggest damn display they have, like compared to everybody else's display. Yeah, that's the biggest one. Ha, that is badass. Optimal here. What is this? Wow, Mercury. Nice. Oh, look at that thing. Wow. Oh my god. Protective film solution. Win, yes. Wow. Look at this 720S. Protective film solution. What's up? Oh my god, Ysec. Jesus Christ. It's beautiful. Wow. Okay, now this is pretty sick. C63 drag car. Twin turbocharged? Oh wow. Wow. Yowzers. Look at them. Look at those wheels. Look at the dump on this thing. Holy crap. Wow. That's insane. Carbon, carbon. Okay, Evo. All my Evo friends. This thing is mean. Oh, wow. Willowwood. This is beautiful. Is that a dog? That's a... Wow. Dog shit. Dog box right there. That is sick. Is beautiful. Psycho bunny. Charlie. Damn. I need brakes. Anybody want to hook me up with some brakes? I need brakes for my car. Wow. So this direction over here has another half of a mile or a quarter mile of just one hole. So if I walk that direction, yeah. Wow. Wow. Still setting up RBP Voodoo rides. Ow. Well. Oh, that is awesome. Old school Chevy. Wow. Look at this. Holy crap. I wonder what's underneath that. I don't know. So down that way is like another half of a mile, or a mile, I don't know. And this is only one hall. And there's 4 other halls, I think? I'm not sure. I have to check. God, look how big that dang display is. What the heck? Yeah, that Evo's pretty nice. I like that Evo. Airflow research. Damn. Feeling what I know. Woo. Okay, we'll wait till the next truck, the next car. Oh, let's go check this out. They're putting the Jeep on a rock so you can actually see it kind of angled. Oh, that's pretty awesome. Look at this. Yowzers, that is pretty cool. Oh, no. I was walking around. You want me to jump in the boxes? Wait a minute. You want me to jump in the box? Hold on. Actually, I can't. They're not open. There's still products inside, so I can't jump in. Damn. See, look. They're all boxed up. Can't jump in the box. I can throw you in here. Adam LZ's S15. I'll check it out. I'm pretty sure I can find it. I'm not sure what booth it's at, though. If you can find out what booth it's at, I'll go and check it out for you. Because I have, like, free roam of SEMA right now, but I don't have my badge, so I have to grab it first. Me get kicked out? Please. I have the get kicked out of jail and out of SEMA free pass. What? So. Well, I'll go ring. It's in the Garrett booth. Oh, Garrett Turbos? Okay, I'll have to find where that's at. Not too sure where that's at. I will find it if I get a chance. So we still have to load in 1 more or 2 more cars. Then I can go. Can't really go anywhere right now. But, yep. I will be back in a few. Sounds like a challenge. Oh, to get kicked out? Oh, please. Me get kicked out? Won't happen. I know too many people that can actually help me not get kicked out. We'll see. Maybe. I'll see if I can get kicked out. I'll take the car and I'll drive it around. I mean, I could drive around, but I don't know if they'll kick me out doing it. Yeah. Wow, it's pretty cool. Okay, I shot in like 2 seconds. I'm going to do this walk around real quick. Peace.